Recently, a friend from work suggested we support our local football team. For us, that's CD UNIÓN PUERTO, whose home is Estadio Municipal Los Pozos. Entry fee, €5.
UNIÓN PUERTO!
UNIÓN PUERTO!
UNIÓN PUERTO! Mejor!
UNIÓN PUERTO play in the Liga Tercera División Canaria, third division of the Canary Islands league to you and me. In this vital tie, they were the underdogs, fighting the leaders Tenerife B to escape relegation. A tough match was in store. Given that my football punditry could be patchy, I thought it best to bring in some extra knowledge for some English language commentary. So I shared the mic with Paul GILLIES, professional singer and staunch Liverpool fan, along with club DJ Marty da Party and our Italian friend Oscar.
Yeah, I'm very enjoying this match. I can see all the teams are very like a gladiator.
One problem, we didn't know the names of any of the players. Oscar had the solution.
Look now, the ball, you got the pink one. Pass to the purple one.
I like the fact with this you can bring the kids to watch this one and sit where you want. The atmosphere is so relaxed. When you go to Anfield, you're really nervous. You can drink a beer in your chair here, you can't drink a beer in your chair at Anfield. It's laid back, it's nice.
Sunny, we're getting a tan.
I've never been sat so close to the manager at Anfield either. They get really passionate as well, the older fans. What my son likes the most out of it is he can meet the players at the end of the game, he goes on, he shakes their hand, he has a picture with them. And I think that's why he really likes coming to watch this one. And the players are they like to do the same as well.
It didn't take long to get caught up in the atmosphere, and our little band of fans at least were in strong voice.
UNIÓN PUERTO! UNIÓN PUERTO! No one's joining in!
Before we knew it, Marty was giving us his half-time analysis.
Yeah, Steve, it's been a really interesting match. Both teams have done really well. Both got good defence, but not a lot of attacking going on at the moment, Steve.
Both teams got stuck in for the second half, as did the crowd. It was anybody's game until UNIÓN PUERTO conceded a seemingly undeserved penalty. Going one down in the closing minutes would be disastrous for our heroes. Suddenly, we had that sinking England penalty feeling.
Come on, keeper.
That was close. After the drama, the chances flowed, but all too soon the final whistle came. A no-score draw, but a vital point in the bag.
Paul, what do you think about the match? What do you think?
I think it was a good result for Uni. They went to the game as massive underdogs. You know, they saved a penalty. Not many chances for either team, I don't think, if I'm honest with you. You forget that these stuff like this here, you know, you can go and watch boy stuff on a Sunday afternoon.
What do you think about the match?
There was definitely no penalty there.
No penalty.
Justice was done, justice was served.
Well, you're right, lad.
Good point, good point.
Good point, good golden point. What do you think about sir?
Yeah, I agree with him. Definitely wasn't a penalty.
Good.
Justice was done.
We have another good player, Paul GILLIES.
Paul GILLIES, yes, I've been nutmegged by his son on the beach.
Before going home, we made the most of our quick kickabout on the pitch. Another highlight for us and the other kids. A thoroughly enjoyable time was had by all, watching the beautiful game on a beautiful island. We've included a link to UNIÓN PUERTO with this video. Game on!